Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can improve your website speed. Okay, so we're going to look at one issue that most WordPress websites have, because most people have no technical knowledge, they don't know how to fix it. But meanwhile, this might be affecting your website speed, right? So what I'm talking about is this number one critical issue faced by website. You find something, if you go to your website, right? Go to the main side of your website, you click to then look at site health. Most WordPress website, you will find your site is running on outdated version of PHP, whatever number, which requires an update, right? So what this means is that you should understand that WordPress is developed using an open source programming language called PHP. Okay, so each PHP version improves performance by most efficiently running processes and reducing memory usage. This impacts your WordPress site speed by making it faster and reducing the load on your server. So normally WordPress hosts automatically updates PHP version in the background. Those updates have no effect on most websites and you may not notice any change at all. But occasionally, a plugin on your WordPress website may misbehave due to incompatibility with a newer PHP version. So in this case, some website owners may want to switch back to their old PHP version until a plugin is updated or fixed, right? So like I say, if you want to know how to check the PHP version of your WordPress, this is what you do. You go to tools, right? Then you click site health. Then you will see your site is running on outdated version of PHP number. So you can also click it to learn more about what PHP is all about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this. But you need to have access to your cPanel, right? You need to have access to your cPanel in order to fix this, because this affects your website speed and in the same way affects your overall ranking. So if you want to optimize your website to rank higher, these are the things that might affect your ranking. So it's important, it's vital that you fix this issue, right? So that your site speed will increase. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get it done. So meanwhile, for you to get that done, you need to have access to your website cPanel. Okay, so I'm going to log in on my website cPanel and show you how that can be done. Okay, so depending on the hosting account you are using, right? They have their different way of updating their PHP. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to update your PHP if you're using Google hosting. That is mainly for Nigerians, right? Then we have for Bluehost. So I'm going to show you how to update your PHP on Bluehost and probably HostGator and one other. Okay, so if you're using any of those two, right, follow the same format which I'm going to show you here. But however, if you are kind of really smart and techy and you're not using any of this hosting service, it's almost the same way. All you need to do, just find the same tool in the cPanel. Okay, so I'm going to use Google Host as an example here. So in order to do that, you log into your cPanel, then you scroll down where you find your PHP manager, right? So let's scroll down and look for it. PHP. Okay, so we're going to use this tool, select PHP version and multi PHP manager. So for those who are using Google Host, these are the two things we are going to use. Okay, so the first thing to do is to click this select your PHP version, right? You click it. So when the PHP selector is open, okay, you see current PHP version. So as my website, this is the version it is, right? Is using so far. So what I will do, or which you will also do, is click it, right? Then you select your current version. Okay, so which obviously I'll go for 7.4. Okay, so this is the current version. So this is what you need to do, just select it. Once you've selected it, click set as current, right? So that it will set as current. So the next thing you do now, you go back, right? Or you might probably use this, or let's just go back to the main panel, right? Then once you're on the main panel, you click multi-PHP manager, right? So when you are on multi-PHP manager, you see PHP version, you open it and click inherent, right? Just click inherent. So since you have selected this inherent, make sure you check your domain name, right? Make sure it's checked. Okay, then you click apply. So it has successfully, as you can see, received a notice that you have successfully applied PHP version inherent to the selected domain. So what you have to do is to go back and check if that has been fixed. Okay, so go to our site to look at it. Okay, to be sure that it has been fixed. So as you can see, I have refreshed the site health. So there is no PHP. It shows that it has been fixed. So if you look at the past test, you see your version of PHP, okay, of WordPress up to date. Okay, see your site is running the current version of PHP. So this test has been passed. So this is how you fix your website PHP version, right? For Google Host. So I'm going to show you the process for other hosting company, okay? Okay, so here's how to change the PHP version if you are using Bluehost hosting plan. By the way, if you want to use Bluehost hosting plan, right, the link is in the description section. It's also one of the best hosting company you can use, right? So if you want to update the PHP version, you need to first of all log into your Bluehost account dashboard and click on the advanced tab in the left column, right? This will bring you to the advanced tool page to manage your hosting account. From here, you need to click on the multi PHP manager icon. So you see how it's different from Google Host. So on the next page, you need to select your website and then select the PHP version that you want to use, right? Now click on the apply button to save your changes. So Bluehost will now start using the PHP version you selected for your website. So this is really easy to do. Okay, so what if you are using SiteGround hosting company? So if you're using SiteGround hosting, then here's how you update your PHP version of your WordPress website. First, you need to log into your SiteGround account dashboard. After that, you need to switch to the website page and then click on the site tool button next to your website. Next, you need to go to div, that is DEVS, then PHP manager from the left column. From here, you can choose to use SiteGround Ultra Fast PHP or Standard PHP, whichever one you use. You can also change the PHP version by clicking on the edit icon, right? This will bring up a pop-up where you first need to select change PHP version manually under the set PHP version option. After that, you will be able to select your PHP version from a drop-down menu. Don't forget to click on the confirm button to apply the change. And that is how you will upgrade your PHP version. Then for HostGator, first you need to obviously log into your HostGator or hosting account dashboard and then click on the hosting selection. From here, you need to click on the cPanel link under your hosting account, right? This will launch cPanel dashboard where you can manage advanced settings for your hosting account. You need to scroll down to the software section and click on the PHP manager icon, right? Next, you need to select your domain name and then choose the PHP version. And don't forget to click on the apply button to save your settings. So basically, this is how you can easily upgrade your PHP version. So if you're using other hosting accounts, right? Other hosting accounts, look for something similar. If you log into the cPanel, look for something that looks like the multi PHP manager, and then change the version. But if you're kind of skeptic about doing that and you need like a proper instruction on how to do it, then consider going to your hosting website and search for how to update the PHP version of your website. I'm sure most of them have instruction on how to do that. So it's really, really important you update your website so that Google to help your ranking, right? Okay, so if you love this video, I think this video is useful, please subscribe to this channel and give me a like button and share this video, okay, so I can make more of videos like this for you. All right, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.